Chrissy Love, and today I'm going to be doing a homemade body butter video. I more so got the idea because my daughter has eczema and no other cream seemed to really be working. She's more on like the natural side, and she kind of gave me the idea of like, hey, why don't you just do natural products? Like that's always pretty much been our go-to anyway. And I was like, great idea. So I went ahead and I researched and got a couple natural ingredients that I felt would work good for her skin and that were more so geared towards eczema. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it up today and show you guys as much as I can on how I did that.
Okay, so here are the products that I used. I have cocoa butter, I have mango butter, shea butter, almond oil, and what is the last one? Did I pick it up yet? Jojoba oil. Okay, so these are the creams and the oils I used to get started. And then I also went ahead and got a hand mixer, which I will be opening very shortly. So yeah, here's the hand mixer that I have here. It was a very inexpensive one that I got from Walmart, and I kind of wanted to get something that would be good just to do a starter batch, because I do look forward to getting a more expensive hand mixer, or like just the mixer in general, like a big one that costs more, so I can continue to do more of these creams for Caitlin and also to a little business with it as well. Okay, so I'm going to start with the cocoa butter first. This one had a very distinctive smell to it, and it was harder to mash up next to the mango butter. The shea butter was fairly easy. That one was the more smoother one, so that one was easier to cut up than next to the other two. I just decided to use my hands. I felt like it would be better to get more of the product out rather than using a spoon or anything. So I just decided to scoop it in, cut off the tip, and then insert it into the container in like a little spiral container. You see I'm like using my wrist. I did hear it's better to rotate the container, but you know, whatever works for you. And then I decided to hit it onto the table to make the consistency more flat.
I did just now to make the body butter. This one does have a little bit of chunks and stuff in it, but It was just like a starter route. This was my first time making it, so I'm going to try to master it. Not trying, I'm going to master it, and then my goal is to start selling it as a product. People who want a more natural moisturizer for their skin. I already added it on her skin, moisturize, and it doesn't just like film over her skin. And it's also okay with people who have peanut allergies. I did use an almond oil, but I also did research on that, and the protein that people are allergic to that causes them to be allergic to nuts, not in cosmetic products. And I also made sure to be sure that it's not in this. These ones are unrefined, so everything is like super natural. So yeah, I'm going to be doing probably a second part where after I'm going to probably do it off camera a couple times, and then I want to come back when I feel like I mastered it to the extent that I should be able to broadcast it, and then I'll show you guys my new realm of it, and then hopefully then I have a better hold on everything, and then more information as to how you can buy it from me. You want to say bye bye, mama? I also wanted to start something to sell because I wanted to do like business. So moving so much. Kaylin gets older, she can take over, and then she can have like her own income besides of like working like a 9 to 5. She'll have like a standard set way to make money. Huh, mama? Alright, so thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. If you haven't already, make sure you add me on Instagram at Chrissy Love. Say bye, Kaylin. No? Okay.